let's get to making us a cocktail. I've got 2 glasses, one for me and one for my friend. See that? My little friends. So, I'm gonna take my strawberries, cut the tops off, cut it real small, put it inside here. Boom. Take a little bit more strawberries, put it inside here. Boom. That's all that is. Behind that, I've got a little pineapple juice that we're gonna add to our flute. What I'm gonna do behind this, I'm gonna take my muddler, which is right there hiding from me, and we're gonna go in and just softly crush this strawberry. See that? Some of you thinking, whoa, you're gonna put pulp and everything in your mimosa? Listen, man, down here in Chef Winston's Floribbean kitchen, we like to chew on our drink sometimes. So when we chew on it, it's not much flavor coming out. More flavor and flavor and flavor and flavor. So I'm gonna add some more pineapple juice to this. Ooh, without trying to spill. Looking good. And we're gonna follow this here with some Prosecco. Let me get the Prosecco out of the refrigerator. Some nice, cold, beautiful, popping bottles on camera, mimosa. Here we go. Get this here opened up. Look at this, y'all. This is gonna be amazing. Listen, I'm ready to start sipping. I'm ready to get my Sunday brunch on. That's right. Start twisting. Careful when you're opening this here. You don't want it to pop all over the place. Try to protect yourself here a little. Open up. Then we're gonna just basically pop a little bit here. Work it off. Look at that. Then we're just gonna add this to our flute. Look how beautiful this looks. Yes. Mimosa. Brunch you cannot have brunch without a beautiful mimosa. And this mimosa here looks amazing. This strawberry pineapple mimosa. Let me take a little sip. The pop of the strawberries, the fragrantness and the tastiness of the afternoon of the pineapple juice. This works. This works. Oh! Guys, loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm Chef Winston, and welcome for joining me on this episode of Floribbean Cuisine. Don't forget, check us out, Catering CC on YouTube, Catering CC on Instagram, and don't forget our spices, our beautiful gourmet variety of spices on cateringcc.com. Until next time, cheers.